Everybody, my name is Matt Sessler. I will be one of your instructors for this course. This is my 11th year in special education. I've either been a life skills teacher, a social emotional behavior teacher, and now this upcoming year I will be a transition teacher for the district. So I'm excited about that new journey, and I'm also just really excited about getting rolling with all of you to do a deeper dive into accommodations and modification, and really what that means for inclusion for all kids. So really excited to do that deeper dive with you all. If you need anything, my contact info and Lindsay's contact info are going to be in your nuts and bolts. So again, really excited to start this journey with you all and what we can really do for that, again, that inclusive environment for kids via accommodations and modifications. So for our discussion post prompt, our walk-up song, I went with "Big Time Players" by T-Pal. Right now, it's just the one that gets me energized. All right, for the day, and that's gonna be my walk-up song. So thank you all for watching, and thanks for joining our class this summer.